Two sisters leave their house at the same time. One cycles north at 6 km per hour and the other cycles west at 8 km per hour. What is the distance between the two sisters after 1 hour? If we assume that the two sisters are A and B, we take solution. Let A and B be the two sisters. A moving at a speed, A moves at a speed of 6 km per hour. It simply means in 1 hour, sister A covers 6 kilometers. Sister B moves at a speed of 8 kilometers per hour. It simply means in 1 hour, sister B covers 8 kilometers to the west. Now let's represent this on a figure. We are going to start by drawing our cardinal point. This is the north and this is the west. Sister A moves 6 kilometers to the north. Let's represent it. From this figure, we can easily answer the question. This is origin, which is their house. We are going to denote it by H. The origin, this dot. This is 6 kilometers. She moves 6 kilometers from the house to a certain point to the north. Then sister B moves 8 kilometers to the west. Like this. These two lines are perpendicular. This is an angle of 90 degrees. We have to find the distance between the two sisters after 1 hour. That means we have to find this distance from here to here. We are going to connect their two endpoints using our ruler. We have to find this distance. We are going to call it x. We are going to call this point S. We call this other point T. STH is a right angled triangle. It is a right angled triangle because it has one of its internal angles equal to 90 degrees. This angle, these two lines are perpendicular. The side X, which is opposite the 90 degrees angle, is the hypotenuse. We know two other sides. We know the base and the height. By applying Pythagoras Theorem, we can find x, which is the distance between the two sisters. Take this down by applying Pythagoras Theorem, we have, if we take the hypotenuse squared, it will be equal to the sum of the base squared and the height squared. That means ST all this squared is equal to sh squared plus ht squared. From the right angle triangle, we have st equal to x, comma, we have sh equal to 8 kilometers, and we have ht equal to 6 kilometers. We are going to insert them in this our equation. This will give us x squared to be equal to 8 kilometers, all this squared, plus 6 kilometers, all this squared. This will give us x squared to be equal to 8 kilometers squared. It gives us 64 kilometers squared, plus 6 kilometers squared gives us 36 kilometers squared. X squared is simply equal to 64 kilometers squared plus 36 kilometers squared, gives us 100 kilometers squared. Next, we are looking for x. We are not looking for x squared. We are going to take square root on both sides. Then the square root of x squared will simply be equal to the square root of 100 kilometers squared. Remember, distance can never be negative. In this case, we are going to discard the negative square root. We are going to take only the positive square root, which is 10. This will give us x to be equal to 10 kilometers. The square root of kilometers squared is simply equal to kilometers. Take note of this. Then we are going to conclude, therefore, comma, the distance between the two sisters after an hour is 10 kilometers. We are done with the solution of the question. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your question at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.